Today we're going to talk about tufting. If you don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to tufting, this ottoman, for example, is button tufted. Okay, this is just one of the many tufting methods that are out there. Tufting can be done on all sorts of products, anything from a bed to an ottoman, a chair, sofa, inside or outside. There's lots of different styles of tufting, and there are many reasons why you might want to tuft a piece. Tufting has been done for many, many years. It goes back to more traditional type when you're talking about furniture, but it's a way of holding fabric in its place. What it does is it creates these pockets of stuffing inside that gives some body and volume to the piece. Nowadays, we use it to sort of mix up our decor in our room. So there are a lot of different types of tufting out there, and we don't want to get you overwhelmed, but we're going to take you through some of the most popular ones that you'll see in our stores. The first type of tufting we're going to talk about is diamond tufting, usually shown in more of a traditional piece or an antique piece. This ottoman here is a button tufted piece, and the tufts are actually stitched down. In a more traditional piece, the fabrics will actually be folded. Diamond tufting is one of the most comfortable tufts that are out there because it creates these little pockets that make it plush to sit on or sit back against. So you can see I swapped out the ottoman now, and I've got this great chair here that does a good example of showing you channel tufting. Channel tufting is straight lines that run either horizontal or vertically. It can be done on the inside of a piece or the outside of a piece, as well as an ottoman, sofa, or bed. It's a modern, clean look. So now we've moved over to this other sofa that has a completely different type of tufting look to it. And this is what I call a biscuit tuft. This is a modern look that creates a square pattern. Here we have no buttons, although buttons could be used. A nice advantage of not having a button is that there's no one or nobody that's going to get snagged and pull that button. So for a busy household, this is one of my favorite detail looks. So we just wanted you to know a little bit about tufting and about the different types of tufting that are available, whether it's a more modern look or a more traditional type of tufting. When you go to work on your next design project, think about if you want to add some tufted pieces to the room to add some interest. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can be sure to leave them with us.